We are here at Electronica in the booth of Infineon, and we're talking to Mr. Reinhardt. You and Infineon and your specific high voltage power conversion business unit has introduced a new product a few days ago, the CoolMOS P6.
That's right.
What can you tell me about the development statement?
The development of this new technology with which we expand our superjunction CoolMOS portfolio once again has been done in Villach with some help of the engineers we have in Munich. And it's a new technology that's really aimed at optimizing the efficiency, the conversion efficiency that is a key target for our customers, as well as providing a certain ease of use. Because switches become faster and faster over time, and they need to in order to be efficient, but that also makes them more tricky to handle. And therefore this can cause design times for customers to be long and therefore costly. And with this technology we found a new compromise between efficiency, so performance, as well as design times.
Which industry segments do you actually target with the new product?
Yeah, the new products go particularly into what we call the SMPS area, the switch mode power supply, and here particularly you have to think about server power supply, so those server farms that Google and Facebook have power supplies for those, telecom, so the telecommunication infrastructure, but also applications like lighting and PC power, for example.
You are, or Infineon is a global company based in Germany. With this new product and with the other portfolios that you have, especially the industries that you target, where do you see your customers, European or very, very global?
Well, answer A is global, but that's a vague answer, but it's very true. But the real center of gravity lies these days in Asia. Most of the business is actually coming out of Asia, but it has to be said that this is to a large degree the production entity of the world, if you will. And we see a lot of very specialistic companies designing advanced products in Europe, in the US, as well as Asia. So in that sense, it is more balanced.
So what are you actually presenting here at Electronica this year?
This year, so we presented the P6 technology. We also want to re-emphasize our recently introduced silicon carbide diode family, our 5th generation meanwhile, which is again improving efficiency in the power conversion process. But since silicon carbide is a bit of an expensive technology, we've taken measures to improve the cost by optimizing our design and using what we call a thin wafer technology, which we believe is a first. And in general, we want to underline that we as a company spend most of our R&D in the power area, so to speak, because Infineon is of course a broader company than just power, in solving the world's issues with energy management, and simply make sure that we lose less energy in the generation of energy, the transportation and the consumption of energy. And that is our head mission actually.
And to look into the future, will we actually have new product announcement, new exciting product announcement in the near future?
I would certainly say so, because the CoolMOS portfolio is something that can still be extended and improved upon. So we foresee in the next quarter to make an announcement for a rather spectacular new family of products. And what is also good to emphasize here is that Infineon is the first company to have started with 300 millimeter production, which is normal when you talk about microprocessors, but for power that's a world first. And this is also something that we've initiated in Villach initially, and we're now expanding into Dresden here in Germany as well, because we need to support our customers. We know we have a bit of a downturn in the market at the moment, but downturns always goes up. Semiconductors are a cyclical industry, and so in order to expand our capacity and also embark on a longer term cost roadmap, we have decided some time ago to invest in 300 millimeters, and we have just brought our first series of products into full production in that.
Thank you very much.